The towering peaks of the Swiss Alps, capped with eternal snow, pierce the azure sky. Their slopes, a tapestry of emerald green meadows and dark forests, plunge dramatically into valleys carved by ancient glaciers. Welcome to Gimmelwald, a hidden gem in the heart of the Swiss Alps. Untouched by the relentless march of time, this idyllic village offers a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme and the pace of life moves to the rhythm of the seasons. Step into a world of breathtaking panoramic views, where every glance is a postcard waiting to be discovered. Towering above the village, the majestic Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau peaks dominate the skyline, their snow-capped summits glistening under the sun. As your gaze sweeps across the landscape, it's met by the vibrant green of the meadows, dotted with wildflowers that paint the slopes in a riot of color. The air is alive with the sound of cowbells echoing through the valleys, a symphony of nature that speaks of a simpler way of life. Crystal clear streams, fed by melting glaciers, cascade down the mountainsides, their waters tumbling over rocks and forming picturesque waterfalls that fill the air with a gentle roar. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, filling your lungs with the crisp mountain air, invigorating and pure. Gimmelwald's charm lies in its authenticity. Here, time seems to have stood still, preserving a way of life that has vanished from many parts of the world. Traditional wooden chalets, weathered by time and sun, cling to the slopes, their balconies overflowing with colorful geraniums. These charming dwellings, many centuries old, are a testament to the enduring spirit of the mountains and the people who call them home. Wander through the narrow, winding lanes, where the scent of freshly baked bread wafts from the local bakery, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air. Life in Gimmelwald is unhurried, a welcome respite from the frenetic pace of modern living. Here you'll find a sense of community that is rare in today's world, where neighbors greet each other with a smile and a friendly word. The villagers are proud of their heritage and eager to share their love of their home with visitors. Experience the warmth of Swiss hospitality firsthand, whether you're enjoying a traditional fondue dinner at a local restaurant or simply exchanging stories with a villager over a cup of coffee. For those seeking adventure, Gimmelwald is a paradise waiting to be explored. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on one of the many well-maintained trails that crisscross the surrounding mountains. Each step will reward you with breathtaking views and the opportunity to immerse yourself in the pristine alpine wilderness. Challenge yourself with a climb to the summit of the Schilthorn, made famous in the James Bond film on Her Majesty's Secret Service. From the revolving restaurant at the top, you'll be treated to unparalleled panoramic views of the Eiger, Monch and Jungfrau, as well as over 200 other peaks. During the winter months, Gimmelwald transforms into a winter wonderland. The slopes come alive with skiers and snowboarders, carving their way down pristine powder. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's a slope here to suit every level of ability. And for a truly unique experience, try tobogganing down the mountain on a traditional wooden sled. The thrill of the descent, the crisp mountain air whipping past your face, is an experience you won't soon forget. One of the most striking things about Gimmelwald is its tranquility. This is a place where you can escape the noise and chaos of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Free from the roar of traffic, the air is filled only with the sounds of nature. The gentle tinkling of cowbells, the rustling of leaves in the breeze, the distant roar of a waterfall. Find a secluded spot on a mountaintop meadow, surrounded by wildflowers and with panoramic views stretching out before you. Close your eyes and listen to the silence, broken only by the sound of your own breathing and the beating of your heart. In this peaceful haven, you'll find a sense of calm and serenity that is hard to find in the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's a place to relax, to recharge, and to simply be present in the moment. The absence of cars and the abundance of walking paths encourage a slower pace of life, one that allows you to appreciate the simple things, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of fresh mountain air, the beauty of your surroundings. Gimmelwald's history stretches back centuries, and the village is steeped in tradition and folklore. Visit the local museum to delve into the region's rich past, learning about the life of the early mountain people and the challenges they faced. Discover the stories behind the traditional crafts that are still practiced today, such as wood carving and cheese making. These skills have been passed down through generations, keeping the cultural heritage of the region alive. Attend a local festival and witness firsthand the vibrant traditions of Gimmelwald. From traditional costumes to folk music and dancing, these celebrations offer a glimpse into the heart of Swiss culture. And don't miss the opportunity to sample the local cuisine. Warm up with a hearty bowl of Swiss potato soup, or indulge in a traditional cheese fondue where bread is dipped into a communal pot of melted cheese. These dishes, made with fresh local ingredients, are a true taste of the Alps. While Gimmelwald itself offers a wealth of attractions, its location also makes it the perfect base for exploring the surrounding region. Just a short cable car ride away lies the Schilthorn, offering breathtaking 360-degree views of the Swiss Alps. Venture further afield to the Trummelbach Falls, a series of 10 glacier-fed waterfalls thundering through a mountain inside. Witness the raw power of nature as millions of liters of water cascade down the rock face. Explore the Lauterbrunnen Valley, often referred to as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls, where cascading waterfalls plunge from towering cliffs, creating a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. And for those seeking a taste of city life, the charming town of Interlaken, nestled between two lakes, is just a short train ride away. Here you'll find a wider range of shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. What truly sets Gimmelwald apart is the warmth and hospitality of its people. You'll be welcomed with open arms and genuine smiles, making you feel more like a long-lost friend than a tourist. The locals are passionate about their village and eager to share their love of their home with visitors. Don't hesitate to strike up a conversation with a villager, whether you're waiting for the cable car or enjoying a coffee at a local cafe. You'll find that they're full of stories and insights about the region and happy to offer recommendations for things to see and do. Their genuine warmth and hospitality will undoubtedly enhance your experience in Gimmelwald, making it all the more memorable. This sense of community extends beyond the residents to encompass visitors as well. It's not uncommon to find yourself striking up conversations with fellow travelers from all walks of life, sharing stories and experiences over a glass of wine or a plate of local cheese. Gimmelwald is committed to preserving its natural beauty and cultural heritage for generations to come. The village has implemented a number of sustainable tourism practices, ensuring that the delicate balance of the ecosystem is maintained. From waste management and energy conservation to supporting local businesses and preserving traditional building methods, every effort is made to minimize the impact of tourism on the environment. Visitors are encouraged to explore the region responsibly, respecting the natural surroundings and leaving no trace of their presence. By choosing to travel sustainably, you can help to ensure that Gimmelwald's pristine beauty and unique charm will be enjoyed by generations to come. This commitment to sustainability is not just an initiative, but a way of life in Gimmelwald. It's evident in the villagers' deep respect for their surroundings, their commitment to preserving their traditions, and their desire to share their home with visitors in a way that is both authentic and responsible. Gimmelwald offers a range of accommodation options to suit every taste and budget, from cozy guest houses to traditional chalets. Wake up to breathtaking views of the mountains and the sound of cowbells in the distance. Many accommodations offer a taste of authentic Swiss hospitality, with homemade breakfasts featuring local cheeses, breads, and jams. After a day spent exploring the mountains, return to the comfort of your guest house or chalet, where you can relax and soak up the peaceful ambience. In the evenings, indulge in the culinary delights of Gimmelwald. The village boasts a handful of restaurants serving up hearty Swiss cuisine, made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Savor the flavors of a traditional cheese fondue, or try a rosti, a Swiss potato dish that is both comforting and delicious. And be sure to sample the local wines, which perfectly complement the rich flavors of the food. Gimmelwald is a destination for all seasons, each offering its own unique charm. In the spring, the meadows come alive with wildflowers, painting the slopes in a riot of color. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong, and the waterfalls thunder with renewed vigor after the winter snows. Summer brings long, sunny days, perfect for hiking, mountain biking, or simply relaxing and soaking up the breathtaking views. The air is alive with the scent of pine and wildflowers, and the nights are cool and clear. As autumn arrives, the leaves turn vibrant shades of gold, red, and orange, transforming the mountainsides into a breathtaking tapestry of color. The air turns crisp and the days shorten, creating a cozy, intimate atmosphere. And in winter, Gimmelwald transforms into a magical winter wonderland. The snow-covered peaks sparkle under a clear blue sky, and the village takes on a hushed, almost magical ambience. Whether you're a skier, a snowboarder, or simply someone who enjoys the beauty of winter, Gimmelwald is sure to enchant you. Gimmelwald is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you forever. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in Swiss culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Plan your visit and discover the magic of Gimmelwald for yourself. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, this hidden gem in the Swiss Alps is sure to captivate your heart.